Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I have a new phone. This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to insert SIM card and the memory card into this phone. So here is the phone and here is the box, Redmi Note 15 5G. And to put your SIM card and memory card into this phone, first you need to go to the box, because here we have a little pin, here there is, and with this one you can remove the slot for the SIM card and the memory card. And for that you need to look here in the bottom of your phone, because here is the slot, and you need to insert this pin here in this hole. I hope you see it like this, and push it. Now this is the slot for the SIM card and the memory card. Let's take a closer look. Here we can put the SIM 1, and on the other side we can put the SIM 2 or a memory SD card. We can't put both SIM cards and the memory SD card. Now let's put the first one. You need a nano SIM, and this is the right position. Let's see, like this. And you heard a little click, so everything is okay. And now if I turn it back, as you can see, the SIM card doesn't fall. And on the other side, let's put the SIM 2. Again, you need a nano SIM, and let's see, this is the right position, like this. And now if I turn it back, as you can see, it doesn't fall. So everything is okay. Now take the slot like this with the SIM card, with the first SIM in the front of your eyes, and this is the right position, and put it back into your phone and push it, and that's all. Now if you have a pin on your SIM, you need to enter it. Mine is 40 and okay. And we have the signal. Just one SIM card it's active, the other one doesn't work, so everything it's okay. Now let me show you how to put the memory SD card. Again, take the pin and put it into the hole and push it. Remove the slot, careful, and go to the second SIM, and now just remove it. And here you can put the memory SD card. This is the right position, like this. You heard again a little click, so everything is okay. And as you can see, it doesn't fall. And now again, this is the right position with the SIM 1 into the front, and put it back into your phone like this. And again, enter your pin for the SIM. If you have it, tap OK, and everything it's okay. And here is the memory SD card. So it's not so hard. I hope this video to be useful for you. If you have any questions, write me in the comment area, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.